Simply remove the three fasteners for the air cleaner arms for the stock air filter element. Remove the bezel and filter. Grab your new filter element. There's a seam we like to put it at the bottom. Get your window, line the trash so it's parallel to the ground on the bottom. Air filter bezel. You're gonna have three longer arms supplied with the filter. A bit of blue Loctite. The three fasteners torqued at 20 inch-pounds. The air filter also comes with a rain sock, which is only necessary when it's raining, obviously. Simply threads through the arms and fastens at the bottom with Velcro. We're going to throw this thing in the dyno, see what it does. Bear in mind, this is a stock 114, stock cam, stock exhaust. So I don't expect to see much, but these are designed for the bigger inch motors, big power, high output. It looks pretty much identical, but the numbers tell the truth. 89 to 91. Again, it's designed for the bigger inch engines, so you're going to see more of a result with the big power bikes.